Okay, start it up. Yeah, that's finally a lot better. Now try turning your heat on. Seems to be idling okay, even with the lights. Okay, now, while I'm filming, try pulling out your, turn your power stuff off again. Now try pulling out your number 1 spark plug cable. See what happens. Just try number 1 or number 2, okay? Just very quickly. See? Okay, it runs a little bit. Make sure it's all the way. Now you're doing your number 3.
Yeah.
Okay,
Go all
that's
right.
number 2. Now try your number 1 and keep stalling. Yeah, stalls it. Okay.
It's not even on there. Do you
Yep,
feel
it's
that?
on there.
No, it's
Yep,
not.
it is. Okay, try starting your vehicle up again. Should start.
It's way higher up.
It's on there. Yep. If I pull number 4 off, it stalls.